Hello everyone, myself Vishnu, and today I'm going to explain project topic called crime data analysis with the help of data warehousing and data mining. Let's go with the introduction part. Crime data analysis is a process of examining crime related data to uncover patterns, trends, and insights that can help in understanding criminal behavior, improving law enforcement strategies, and enhancing public safety. How data warehousing and data mining can help. Data warehousing and data mining allows us to store vast amount of structured crime data from multiple sources in a centralized way. It supports fast querying and efficient reporting, making it easier to analyze long-term crime trends across different locations and time periods. Data mining, on the other hand, helps us to enable extract meaningful patterns, correlation, and predict from the given data. By applying techniques like clustering, classification, and association rule mining, we can identify crime hotspots, forecast future instances, and uncover hidden relationships between the various crime factors. Before going to project, we need to know about these basic knowledge of basic these five steps. First one is basic knowledge about data warehousing. In this, we understand about the facts and dimensional tables, familiarity with star schema and snowflakes or even galaxy schema, knowledge of ETL, extraction, transform, and load processes. Second one is data cleaning and pre-processing. Third one is applying the different clustering techniques or classification techniques. Fourth one is programming skills. And fifth one is visualization skills. Sixth one is analyzing the current data and giving the response. Let's go with the algorithm for crime data analysis. The process of crime data analysis using data warehouse and data mining is beginning with data collection. Once the data is collected from the different sources, the next step is data pre-processing. In this step, data cleaning data in this step involves in data cleaning and removing duplicates, and it also handles with the missing values. Once the data is cleaned, and then we have to load the data into the warehouse. A star schema or another schemas like Snowflakes or Galaxy schema is typically used for efficiency. The central fact table records the actual crime incident, while surrounding tables involves the other informations. These structures allows for fast querying, efficient analysis. After data is stored and organized, data mining techniques are applied. One of the simplest is K-means technique. K-means clustering technique. K-means clustering technique is an unsupervised machine learning algorithm used for partitioning a dataset into a predefined number of clusters. The goal is to group the similar data points together and discover underlying patterns or structures within the data. This algorithm groups crime instance based on the geographic coordinates. Following this step, visualization is used to interpret the result. Scattering plots or clustering maps can be created to show the high crime, high crime area, high crime area on the city map. Simple queries like roll up, roll down, slice and dice operations can be used to extract the data from this analysis. Let's take an example. Data collection. This is the collected data from different sources, and the second step is to data pre-processing. In this step, you have to remove and handle with the missing values. Once the handle value, once it is handled with missing values or duplicates, it is stored in the data warehouse. Here I used simple star schema. You can use like snowflakes or galaxy. Here it is a central dimensional table which stores the main information, and the other table stores the different other informations like location, time, and type of the crime. After step 3, we go into step 4. It is applying different cluster techniques. Here I used K-means clustering technique, which helps to get output like this, which it is separated into groups by the help of geographic coordinates. Here it is stored in two different ways like 1 and 0. Here 1 0 is crime one area and cluster 1 is another crime area. Step 5 and step 6 are visualization and pattern extraction or pattern insights. This I will explain show it in execution part. Let's go with the execution part. This is the code which helps to upload the data file. Once the file is uploaded, these are the Python libraries which are helpful for data handling, data visualization, clustering and cleaning. After libraries, we have this line which helps to read the file and the printing the file. After reading the file, we use the cleaning the data. This helps to cleanse the data. And this line of code which helps to remove the duplicates. And this part of code which helps in converts the data column to a date line format, extract month and year. This line of code will helps to remove the rows with any mining values and now essential column are formatted. After after cleaning and storing is done, now it's time for visualizing the data. This part of code helps us shows the data in different ways. Like in this code, if location part, we can see the data graph in the location wise. In this, we can see it in hour wise, and we can see it in day wise also. After that, we applying the data mining technique. It is step 4. Here I applied the k-means clustering algorithm, which helps to group the data with the help of coordinates. After that, applied pattern insights, which helps to find for most frequent crime type, crime location, and hour of occurrence. Let's run this code. You can see graph like crime frequency by type. Here we get the highest by theft, assault, and robbery, etc. Here we can see the location wise crime type and crime types. And you can see crime frequency by hour and crime trend over time. And here the dots represent the crimes in and groups in different data. And this pattern insights which in this most common crime is theft, crime hotspot is downtown, and peak crime time is 2 a.m. From this, I also applied some simple queries like roll up, roll down, or drill down, slice, dice, and pivot operation. You can see this is roll up operation. Roll up operation is aggregates the data by climbing up a concept hierarchy or by dimensional reduction. You can see we store the data in month wise. And the second one is drill down or roll down, which helps to store the data more detailed way. You can see that we have store the data in detailed way. Like in 2 p.m. we have one crime scene, 3 p.m. we have one crime scene, and 10 p.m. I have another crime scene, etc. And the third one is slice operation. In this operation, selecting a single dimension from a cube to produce a subcube. We can see that we produce the subcube. And the next step is dice, selecting the data from more than one dimension and forming a subcube. And the last one is pivot operation. It can rotate the data axis from different views and helps for more detailed way. From this, we go to the conclusion part. Crime data analysis using data warehousing and data mining provides a powerful way to understand crime patterns and support decision making in law enforcement. By collecting, cleaning, and organizing crime data in a well structured warehouse using star schema, we make it easier to run efficient queries and perform meaningful analysis. With the help of data mining techniques like k-means cluster, we can group the crimes based on location and uncover hidden patterns such as identifying crimes areas or peak crime times. Visualization tool helps to scatter plot and cluster map, makes the insight more accessible and actionable for authorities. Overall, this approach is not only improves the crime monitoring and resource allocation, but also contributes to build a safer community through through data-driven strategies. Here, once again, I'm showing the code part. We can see you can see the output from here, and you can get the pattern insights, and you can apply some other simple queries like roll up, roll down, drill up, etc. Slice, dice, and other operations, etc. And this is my project. Thank you everyone for watching.